When I came to Canada to study, I studied gerontology, which is social service worker. I major in senior living and care and all of that. And we quickly learned about the marginalization of persons of color in Canada. And I was taken aback because I am coming from Jamaica, where 90% of us are black, are people of color. But let's use a Tessan chin and a Tammy chin. You don't have to have degrees. Tammy and Tessan don't have to have degrees to get the top jobs in Jamaica because they have, their nationality already, their skin type. Outside of that, you could still survive. But in Canada, I went to the dentist today. We went to a dentist and it was Chinese and they employed their own. We went to the ophthalmologist and they are Chinese again and they employ their own. And when you went to 90% of the business places, they are Indian and Chinese owned and they employ their own. What hope the persons of color have in Canada? What hope do we have in Canada? We are highly marginalized. We are highly marginalized. And once upon a time, I used to say, oh, people don't have to spend their money to do nails and do hair and all of that. But spend your money and do whatever you want to do if that is what gonna help you to feel a part of. Because if you don't have the strong courage and the strong willpower, may God help you. This country is not for people of color. Or could it be the area in Canada that I live? I only live amongst. So could it be? But then when you go right around, that is what I'm seeing. It's a sad, it gives me a sad feelings. If you don't stand up strong, you lose hope and you lose faith. My people, be strong. Keep the faith. It is against us. I used to work at one home and one of the residents told the supervisor that she don't want me in her room because I am of color and I am a thief and Jamaicans, we are not, So it's against us. It's against us in the healthcare. When we go to the hospitals, we are the last to get attended to. And it's against us in getting the jobs, and it's against us. Our job that we get is the cleaning of the poo and the wiping of the floor. It's hard. It's hard.